Hi friends, welcome back to Top Tip. Today we are going to discuss about how to configure Outlook accounts. So let's start. Just go to Start, Outlook. Here you can see two Outlooks. One is Outlook 2010 and the other one is Outlook 365. Here we are going to choose Outlook 365. Okay, for making an account we have to go File, Account Settings, again Account Settings. Here just press New. Okay, here we need to give an account. There is two types of account configuration. One is automatic account configuration. That means the account we are using, it's under Microsoft or Hotmail. Outlook will automatically find the incoming and outgoing servers and it will configure automatically. The other one is most of the companies have their own domains and web servers. In that case, we have to show Outlook which incoming and outgoing servers are using and the ports are using. That one we can check after the automatic configuration. So let's check how to do the automatic configuration. For that, we can give an email address belong to Outlook, Office, Hotmail, any one of these. For example, here I entered an email address. It's belong to Microsoft. Then just press connect. It will redirect and ask for a password. Then we can give the password of the account. Once you enter the password, just press OK. Then Outlook will check the credentials and the credentials was OK. It will create the profile in Outlook. Once Outlook checked the credentials and created the profile, it will show account successfully added. Then we can press done. Then close the account setting dialog box. Your Microsoft account is ready here. Now you're seeing the Outlook is pulling the mails from the mail servers. So we can pass this out. Once Outlook is ready, you will get the created account here. You can pop it down. Then you can see your inbox, drafts, send items, everything here. Okay, now that one is finished and you can see only one account is here. This is the one. Now we can check how to configure manually by giving the manual incoming and outgoing servers and the port details. For that, just close this one and go to control panel. Go to mail, Microsoft Outlook 2016 configuration. Just click that one. Then you will get a small interface like this. Here, go to email account, create, click new. Then here we will choose manual setup or additional server types. Click this one and press next. Here we are choosing the account type. It's an Office 365 account. This one we already tested as an automatic configuration. Now we will check an advanced setup for POP or IMAP email accounts. We are using this type of account mostly. So just press this one, click next. Here we can give the display name. It means in what name the receiver will see the mails. For example, we will put top to tip. Here we will give the account address. These the important things. We have to confirm here we are using a POP3 account type or IMAP account type. Most of the cases we will use POP3. It's depend upon which web server is allocating your accounts. In our case it's POP3. Then we can give the incoming mail server address. Then we can give the outgoing server address. In our case it's same. These details you will get from the web server admins team, the one who created the web servers. They will give the incoming and outgoing server details and the port details. Then we will give the username. It should be same as the email address. Then we can give the password. Once you give the password, we will go to more settings, and depending upon the information what we get from the web server settings team, we will give the settings here. In our case, here nothing we need to do. In outgoing server, we have to click my outgoing server SMTP record authentication. Then in advanced, here also as per the web server team, we have to give here. In our case 110 and 465, and we have to show the encrypted types. Here we are using SSL TSL. Just click OK. Then we can test the account settings. Yeah, it's getting completed. The incoming server is okay. Now it's testing the outgoing server. That is also okay. Then we can close and click next. It will test again. Once it close, it will just go to the next tab. Here we can press finish. The second account also created. We can close this and we can check it in Outlook. Yes, the second account also created here. I am not popping it up because it's confidential. Now we can see how to deleting the accounts from Outlook. For that also we can go to control panel, the same place, mails, go to email. Here we should understand something. We cannot directly delete the default mail. First we have to delete the other mails, then only we can delete the default mail, because in the case of Outlook it should need an account, at least one account it should be there. So most of the people is getting trouble to delete completely the accounts. So here I am going to show you how to delete the complete accounts in Outlook. First we can delete this one. Just press remove. Yes, it's simply deleted. Here we can see once we trying to delete the default account, yes, the account also deleted. But once you check the data file, the data file is still there for sales. So once we try to delete this one, you will get a warning message. The default data file cannot be removed because it's default delivery location. So how we will able to delete this one, I will show you. Just create a temporary data file here. Just click this. Then in any name you can create a data file. Just press OK. That data file is created here. Then make this data file as default. Press OK. Then the created data files is become to default. Now we try to delete this one also we get trouble because some calendar informations are already in the sales profile. So what we will do, we'll close this one, close this also, close. Then we will go to Outlook again, account settings. Here we will go to data tab and we will try to delete the sales. Now what we have inside the Outlook, only the temporary created data files. Nothing should be there and nothing will interfere anything. In this way we can delete completely the account from Outlook. In future, if we add any other account here, we can delete the temporary created data files also, not an issue. So I hope all the guys enjoyed the video. So if you have any doubts related to this, please comment me. Definitely I will give the replies. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Don't forget to
Please like and share our channel and do subscribe.